this video tutorial, we will see how to print left angle number triangle pattern. Let's move to Visual Studio Code and execute this pattern. We can see here, in this pattern, every line begins with the space characters. The space characters are gradually decreasing line by line in the range of 2, 8, 6, 4, 2 and 0. Those space characters are appended with number characters. Those number characters are gradually increasing line by line. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So let's type code to execute this pattern. Declare and initialize a variable I with 0. We are going to use while loop here while I less than 5. 5 is nothing but the required number of iterations. And at the end of every iteration, we are going to increase I value by 1. See, so here I value will be 0, 1, 2, 3 and 4. At the end of 5th iteration, I value will become 5. 5 less than 5, condition false. And our iteration is going to stop here. So let's print the result. In this pattern, every line begins with a space character. We are going to combine 2 space characters here, 2 spaces. In the first line there are 8 spaces, 4 minus I. So this is going to give us 8 space, then 6, then 4, then 2 and 0 space. Those space characters are appended with number character 5 minus I, which is going to give us 5, then 4, then 3, then 2 and 1. Along with every number, a space character is appended. So here we need to concat 5 minus I into type 2, string type. And in the first line there is 1, 5, second line 4, 2 times 4, then 3 times 3, then 4 times 2 and 5 times 1. That increment we can achieve by multiplying the number space character with I plus 1. Save the file and run it in the terminal. py_triangle.py. This is our expected left angle triangle pattern. In the next video tutorial, we will see another type of number left angle triangle pattern.